Okay, now YouTube, how you doing and welcome back. I came out here to the tree service wood lot today to make some wood, and it's right after that Hurricane Helene has made its way through Kentucky, and we got a lot of driving rain for 3 days straight. It was just soaked, and the tree service happened to be bringing in some wood when I was there. Now this is some poplar wood, and I've been working on that other large poplar log. They've got a lot of poplar in this lot, but this gentleman brought in a load of wood here in the dump trailer, and as you might be able to hear, it's also low on battery, so they're just kind of having a tough day. It's nasty conditions. The battery's low on the dump trailer, and this guy has gotten stuck in the mud out here now, so he's trying to just drop this load and get out of the mud, which is unfortunately going to be a little more it's easier said than done, let's just say that. So the logs aren't really wanting to fall down, and you can see here's the problem. The truck is stuck in the mud now, and it's in four-wheel drive. He's got the hubs locked down and everything, but it's just digging down deep in the mud here. So finally we're able to get him to drop right here coming up. The dump bed is raised up enough, and we get him to drop, but the truck is still stuck in the mud. So here we go with that. Come on. Okay, well, not much progress was made there, so we had to call in another truck. I would have pulled him with my truck, but I don't have any chains or straps or anything, so I'll let y'all watch this footage here in real time. Yeah. All right. Cool. Well, they're still bringing more poplar wood. I guess that was a big tree they had up there. So the dump trailer is really low on batteries. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but that's what we're working with here today. So here we are. Now we got a jump box, and there's just a lot of wood in this field. You could work out here forever. There is so much wood, and they can't get it into the back of the field because it's so muddy. So it's just getting dumped here. It looks like there's another poplar log. They cut a lot of poplar, and there's pine and all kinds of stuff all down through there. So they're going to dump this new poplar log here, and it's just unbelievable. It doesn't look like a lot when you just kind of look at the field, but it's all over the place. There's just wood everywhere. Sounds a little bit better. At least it's moving now. We got a little bit of juice in there. I'm sure those batteries are a pain to keep up with. You got to charge that thing all the time, or it doesn't have an alternator or anything, so it's on its own as far as charging every day. And it's probably a pain in the butt to keep buying new ones every 6 months or 3 months or whatever it is. And winter is on the way, so it's going to get cold, and those batteries aren't going to last long in the cold either. It's just the way it is. Anybody with a dump trailer probably knows all about that stuff. It's a shame they can't run off of the electrical into the truck and wire into the truck. So that's what we got now. We are ready to dump, and these guys have been hard at work today cutting these poplar logs. It's a lot of wood. There she is, more wood for me to buck into firewood. More firewood for me. There's more than enough out here. Whoa, I'm falling down. All right. Hope you enjoyed that little action. Hello. Oh. Come on. Excuse me. Maddie? Okay, now everybody, thanks for watching the video today. I hope you liked that little bit of action. I thought it made a nice little video, and I thought I'd just kind of close it out with some animal footage and some footage of Mavi doing her thing. She's pretty cute to watch. So appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.